Welcome to English Story 2 Day. Don't forget like and subscribe.
My name is Anna. I am 23 years old. This is the story of the boy I loved and still love. His name is Rayan. We met when I was 18 and he was 20. It was a college festival. I was helping with decorations and he was standing on stage holding a guitar. The first time I heard him sing, something inside me stopped. His voice had pain, fire, and magic. After the event, I saw him sitting alone. I walked up and said, "You were amazing." He smiled. It was a soft, tired smile. He said, "Thanks, but I'm not amazing. I just want to be free." I didn't understand what he meant then, but I wanted to. From that day, we started talking. He told me his dream. I want to become a singer, a real one. I want to sing my own songs. I want to tell the world my story. Rayan came from a small town. His family was strict. His father wanted him to become an engineer. Music was not allowed in the house. But music was Rayan's soul. I saw the way his hands touched the guitar, like it was his best friend. I saw how his eyes lit up when he talked about songs, words, feelings. He wanted to fly like a bird, break all cages and become something bigger. And I just wanted to walk with him. We became best friends. Then more. One night under the stars, he held my hand and said, "Anna, if I ever become a star, you'll be the light behind it." I smiled and said, "Even if you never become one, you're already my world." We had dreams. We would sit in his room, me writing stories, him writing lyrics. He would sing to me. I would cry. Then we would laugh. But dreams are not easy. Rayan's father found out about his music. He broke his guitar. He shouted, "You will destroy your life with this nonsense." Rayan was hurt, but not broken. He started working part-time at cafes, weddings, bars. He saved every penny to buy a new guitar. I was always there. I waited for him after work. I brought him food. I cheered for him when no one else did. Years passed. Rayan got better. His songs became deeper. One day, someone from a music company saw his performance and said, "Come to the city. We'll record your songs." It was a dream come true, but also, it meant goodbye. He looked at me and said, "Anna, I have to go. This is my chance." I smiled and said, "Go, I'll wait." He left the next morning. I stood at the bus stop, watching the love of my life drive away chasing his dream. Weeks passed, then months. At first he called every day. He said, "I miss you. It's hard, but I'm trying." Then the calls became short. Then they stopped. People told me, "He forgot you. He found someone else." That's how it goes. But I didn't believe them. I knew his heart. He wasn't that kind of person. One night, I heard his voice on the radio. It was his song. "My world is behind me. My wings are heavy." But her eyes still guide me through the night. I cried for hours. But he never called. 2 years passed. I finished college. I worked as a teacher. But inside me, there was a space that only rain could fill. One rainy day, I was walking home when I saw a man standing near the old cafe where we first met. Wet hair, a guitar on his back, tired eyes. It was Rayan. I stood frozen. He walked up to me slowly. "I'm sorry," he said. "I was lost." Tears filled my eyes. I whispered, "Why didn't you come back?" He looked down. "The city ate me. I lost myself. I got the fame, the music, the noise, but I lost your voice. And without your voice, nothing sounded right." I couldn't speak. I just hugged him. The rain fell harder, but I didn't care. I had found him again. Now, Rayan sings his songs again. But this time, he sings with me beside him. We don't live in a big city. We live in a small house with a small studio. He teaches music to children. I write books. Sometimes we perform together at local events. He still sings that one song, the one about the girl who waited. And every time he sings it, he looks at me with the same eyes from years ago. We don't have millions of fans, but we have each other. And that, for us, is the loudest music of all. Sometimes love is not perfect. Sometimes dreams take people away. But real love finds a way back. Because when two hearts beat to the same music, no distance, no silence, and no fame can stop their song. If this story touched your heart, don't forget like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for listening my story.